Hi, I'm David, and in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to get started with Superthread. By the end of this video, you'll understand what Superthread is, how to move around your workspace, and how projects, tasks, documents, and AI meeting notes all fit together. So let's start with a big question. What is Superthread? Superthread is a shared workspace where teams capture, organize, and actually remember their work. Instead of spreading tasks, documents, and meetings across different tools, Superthread keeps everything connected in one place. Think of it as your team's workspace for work in progress and long-term initiatives. Everything in Superthread lives inside of a workspace. A workspace is shared by your whole team, and inside of it, you'll find spaces. Spaces organize different areas of work. For example, engineering, design, and marketing. Inside those spaces, you'll find boards, sprints, and documents, which is where the day-to-day work happens. Now let's talk about projects. Projects are workspace-level pieces of work. You can think of them as epics or major outcomes of work that cut across teams. For example, you might have a project called Develop the iOS app. What's important is that the project doesn't force all the work inside of a single board or space. The tasks that belong to a project can live where the work actually happens. The engineering tasks might live in a sprint inside of the engineering space. The design tasks might live in a board inside of a design space. And the marketing tasks might live in a launch board inside of the marketing space. Each task stays where the team actually expects to find it. Within tasks, you can also create subtasks. The subtasks let you break down the work into smaller steps without cluttering the main boards. Now let's look at how work actually starts. In Superthread, the meetings don't disappear the moment they end. This is why Superthread includes an AI note taker that transcribes meetings automatically. After the meeting, the transcript is enhanced using AI. Key points are clarified, decisions are highlighted, and action items are identified. From there, those notes can become a page. That page may become a meeting summary, or it could become a specification or planning document. Because it's a page, you can reference it directly inside of a project. So, when you're looking at the Develop the iOS app project, the specs that came from that meeting are right there alongside the project. And when parts of that page turn into work, you can turn sections directly into tasks. Nothing gets copied, nothing gets lost, and everything stays connected. Moving around Superthread is fast and simple. Use the sidebar to jump between spaces, boards, projects, and AI notes, or search to instantly find tasks, projects, and decisions. At its core, Superthread helps teams capture work as it happens, turn conversations into execution, and move forward with confidence. Thanks for watching, and welcome to Superthread.